guys, and I'm back at y'all with another video. Oh yeah, I'm back at y'all with another video, period. But anyways, it's another natural hair tutorial. As y'all probably already knew that when y'all clicked on this video. I don't know why, I just go on to explain. But yeah, my edges are still done from my edge video, which was like a couple days ago. I just need to be refreshed because I haven't really been messing with them. And yeah, I'm just gonna probably refresh them at the end. But I have my hair in 2 buns, and that's basically how I sleep because I don't need my ends out, you know, breaking off. So I put them in buns. The reason they're coming loose now is because I've been messing with them before this video. So yeah, that's just how I sleep. I'm just carefully trying to take these out. Might as well just pop it. Ain't got time. Just pop it up. Ain't got time to be messing up with my edges and my ends and all that. No. But yeah, y'all should definitely go check out my edge video. How to swoop your edges. Cause like, yes ma'am. But like, anyways, I'm just trying to get these freaking rubber bands off. Alright, so my hair looks terrible. It's been in these buns for a little minute now, and then my hair stretched out, and I need to put some moisture on it. Some moisture. Okay, so I'm just going to part my hair in 4 sections. So I'm just gonna loosely put these back in the rubber bands, just loosely, like one time. Alright. So I have my first section out. A little water, spray bottle. My hair is automatically going to start reverting. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty wet. I just need my hair to be some type of wetness. Check. Somewhere on my back, somewhere around here, you know. But I'm gonna spray some of this leave-in conditioner spray on it first. I just like to spray that first. I don't know why. I have actual leave-in conditioner that I put on next. So I don't know. I just like to put them on both. Who cares? As long as I feel like my hair feels good. So now I'm taking the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna take some of that. I like to be generous. But now that should be enough. So I add my oil on last because you know I like to do the lock method. I don't know why I put it on my hair instead of on my hands, but okay, that's you. And my hair feels, oh my gosh, so good, so good, so good. I love it. It feels so good. And the oil also keeps the leave-in from turning white. I don't know, it always turns white on me. Leave-ins always turn white when you don't put nothing on it for some reason. So yeah, oils are nice. So I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and detangle. Okay, so I only do the front half because I don't like doing the whole head because I like once I like get done with this section, usually the rest of the section start to dry, and I like my hair to be wet when I do flexi rods. So y'all just do the front half because I know I can get done with this before this dries, but I don't know about the back. Like it be drying too fast and I don't like reapplying. You know, I don't like doing all that. So yeah. So I guess I'll just start with this section. Okay. So as my styler, I'm using some hair dressing that I got from, I don't know, somewhere. But I'm just going to put some of that on a tiny section of my hair. And I need my hair to be smooth, like smooth when I do this. So I don't know, I just run the comb through it one more time just to make sure I got it completely slick. Y'all see how slick that is? Slick. Okay, so I take one of my rods, so I go to the end if your hair is longer, because you don't want to roll it directly on top of each other. So roll it twice, twirl while pulling it so my hair got loose because it's shorter. So pull, wrap, pull, wrap. And that always happens in the front because somebody, if this hair don't get out the, I know something. If it, alright. So pull, wrap, real tight. Really tight. Y'all can see the particles and out. I told y'all I'm heavy. So I put it on top so it don't come loose. So as y'all can see, it's really tight. And I think I got some hair up in here. So I'm probably gonna redo that one. So be right back. Okay, so there it goes. And it's a little hard when your edges are shorter than the rest of your hair, because then you gotta try to still get it in there without it getting too puffy. As y'all can see, my edges be sticking out sometimes. But I'm just going to show y'all that one more time. Okay, so I'm just going to show y'all one more time. So curling rod on the end. Give your strands that a little longer. Make sure I get the end really tight. I'm pulling tight. And if you gotta grab them extra pieces of hair that are a little bit shorter, then go ahead and grab them, please. Cause I know some of our hair, you know, just be wanting to do what it want to do. So yeah, I just go ahead and grab those, and then go over the top, and there. So I'm just going to do the rest of these. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna come back when I was finished, but I just wanted to show y'all on an all even piece with like no baby edges in it or anything. Okay, so it's smooth. I got it completely smoothed out here. I'm taking my ends, I'm just kind of folding them 1-2 couple times just to secure them. And then we start twisting. Gotta grab that. And then twist it all the way till I get to the very tip top of the root. And then I wrap over. And that's what it looks like. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done, and I had to resort to Flexi rods because I didn't want to use the big, huge curling rod because I didn't think they was gonna look too good, because these and these were about the same width, and the Flexi rods were about the same width as that too. So I didn't want to use the big ones. So it's same thing. But yeah, I'll see y'all in about 2 days when it completely dries. I'll probably sit under mid-hot air, or no, mid-warm air. Like under, like just blow dry for a little bit, then let it air dry the rest of the time. And I'll see y'all in 2 days. So hi guys, I'm back and it's 2 days later and I'm on my squished in face. It's kind of hard though for my eyes with this scarf on. I'm trying to tie my edges, so yeah, I'm just gonna take these down. Oh, I forgot my oil. Be right back. Alright, so I got the shea butter oil again and I just squeeze some of that on my hand. So I'm kind of just unraveling like that, and this is what the curl looks like. So I just put some oil on that, but I'm not gonna separate it to the end, so I'm just leave it like it is. Hopefully this turns out somewhat cute because I got somewhere to go, and I'm just praying that it turns out somewhat, you know, good, decent looking. So I'm not really wanting to mess up the curls, but just putting a little bit of oil on it. Okay, so I'm gonna start separating. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more oil on my hands, rub it in real nice, and this is what I do to separate. So I pull it down and I find where my hair naturally separates and I pull it apart there, and then just coil the hair around my finger so I get it like that. So I pull it down, and if I don't see nowhere, I start feeling, and then it starts separating down here. So that's where I pull it apart at. And I spin the hair around my finger. Okay, so this is what it looks like unfluffed, and it's really tiny, and I don't like that at all. So I'm just going to pick the roots up, making sure I'm not going through my curls. See? You see that? See how big that just got automatically? Roots only though. Roots only. And how I separate depends on how good the section feels. Like if it's just separating a whole bunch like this, then you know I'll separate it until it can't be separated anymore. But if it's, you know, stiff or still wet, then you know I won't do as much to it. But y'all can already see the difference in my hair. So like, yeah, fluffing, picking, it really does something. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this side up, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna see how it look, and I'm gonna style it and all that. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like fluffed out, and I could not help myself. I had to go ahead and style it and all that, but I just added me, you know, some little clips here and there, you know, just make it pop. And you know me, I'm always feeling the side part, so that's what I went with. But it came out very defined, and I'm very proud of myself, because I went from not knowing how to do my hair to knowing how to completely do it. Well, I wouldn't say completely do it, but you know, I'm getting it together. So yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like my edges, go check out my edge video, because I do have a video on how to do these edges. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.